These are folks that have come to help me teach you line dancing up here at St. John's Church in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. This one is called the Cowboi, B-O-I, Boogie. First thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of shuffle to our right and shuffle to the left, and it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. Now we're going to point out with our right and left foot. Point right, point left. Now we're going to heel down or kick ball change, either one, to get in step with the music. So I'm going to kick ball change, kick ball change. Now we're going to stomp twice with our right foot. Stomp, stomp. Now we're going to shuffle forward with a sort of a cha-cha move, turn to our right, and then shuffle back on our left foot and turn to our right. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, turn around, left, 2, 3, turn around. Now, to finish this wall, we're going to do 2 jazz boxes. And a jazz box is cross, back, out, together. So we do the first one, cross, back, out, together. Now the second one is going to get us to that wall. So we cross, back, out, in. And then we start again. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put them all together. All right, ready? Here we go. Shuffle to the right, shuffle to the left. Point, point, kick down, 1, 2. Shuffle up, turn around, left foot up, turn around. Jazz box 1, jazz box 2. To the right, shuffle to the right, shuffle to the left. Point, point, kick ball change, stop, stop. Right 2, 3, turn around. Left 2, 3, turn around. Jazz box 1 and jazz box to the right. Right 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. Point, point, kick ball change, stop, stop. Right 2, 3, turn around. Left 2, 3, turn around. Jazz box once. Jazz box one more time. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, point, right, point, left, point. Kick down, stop, up. Right 2, 3, turn around. Left 2, 3, turn around. Jazz box 1, jazz box 2. Then that is the Cowboi Boogie.